everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've been away for a couple days because unfortunately I got hospitalized, but I'm getting back on track again. So anyhow, I have got, of course, wanting to try a bloom or a bloom swipe, something like that. So all the colors that I'm using pretty much are all pre-mixed from a previous painting, but I can go through it quickly with you. For Amsterdam, I've got Quinacridone Rose Light and the Dioxazine Purple. And I've also got this little Piggy Pigments. We've got Lily Pad, Taffy, Sangria. Sangria is mixed with the Dioxazine Purple and it makes this beautiful purple color right here. Then we've got Shimmer, Constellation, and Lakeside. So those are my pigments, with two other pigments, which is the Butter Toffee and the Bliss of Ireland. These are both the Primary Elements pigments. Okay, I think that covers pretty much all the colors I have here. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much, you guys. I love all your comments and all your warm well wishes for me to get better. I really appreciate it. Okay, Greg's going to put some music on. My base colors, house paint, right out of the can. And let's have some fun. All right, hit the music on. Thank you.
Of your own set to never-ending love inside of you. Love poured out for my weakness. Oh, I've been waiting for you to come. I've been longing for you, I know. And I've been saying forever, you've been on my mind. I've been waiting for you too long to see. through this world? Will you guide me through this pain? Will you always hold my hand when I need you, when I don't know what I'm doing with myself? I'm a lost soul, walking through this world like I have some idea. When I don't, and I take on the baggage 'cause I think that I can. And I wait for the right time to go with my plan and come to you and tell you how I feel. And when the morning comes, I will feel that I am brave again. And when you pass me by, I will smile and then I'll walk away. I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know where I'm going. It just seems like there's something in the way that you are that makes me smile like a drunk. It makes me high like a drug, makes me wanna be near you like I'm caught in this fog. And I wait for tomorrow 'cause I know that I can. And I wait 'cause tomorrow I will go with my plan and come to you and tell you how I feel. And when the morning comes, I will feel that I am brave again. And when you pass me by, I will smile and walk away. And then I'll think of it, think of it. And then I'll crave for it and feel it all over And when the morning comes, I will feel that I am brave again. And when you pass me by, I will smile and walk away.
The healer might come today. The healer might come and take. The healer might come and take away the pain. He might come and take it all away. The healer might bring the rain. The healer might leave you in a hurricane. Oh, but keep breathing on the pounding waves. It might come and take it all away. Oh, the healer might come today. The healer might. Oh, when you feel like coming, your body break. Come on, keep it steady as the sun. Let the body say we aren't in our final phrase. Oh. Pumpkin scratch prayers come to pass. I have ripped out the last of me. Can't you see? I've been wasted here. I forgot how to breathe. Come hold me. Hold me. And I know that we're still gonna die someday. But would you come and take it all away? Set me free, come on little girl. All you gotta do is set me free. Can't you see? Come on little girl. All you gotta do is set me free, oh yeah. Look up the skies, all the stars above you. All the stars are saying do, 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 do. Set me free, come on little girl. All you gotta do is set me free, oh yeah. Look up the